DAIHAN Scientific is a total laboratory solution provider in Korea. Hello, everyone. I'd like to introduce DAIHAN Scientific Drying Oven. The basic 50-liter model of drying oven includes 2 wire shelves, 8 shelf hooks, a user manual, a warranty certificate, an inspection sheet, a power cable, and the main body. Place the drying oven on a hard and flat surface. For ventilation and fire prevention, leave at least 20 centimeters from the rear wall and at least 100 centimeters from the side wall and the ceiling. Check if the rated voltage of the mains is appropriate. Use the power cable supplied with the product to connect the product to the mains. Next, mount the shelves. Hang each shelf hook on the groove inside the chamber at the desired height. Place each wire shelf on a pair of shelf hooks. The product's main body has an air duct at the top of it. You can control the air circulation volume in the chamber with it. It has a power switch, a fuse, a safety nod, and an RS to 32C port on its right side. Turn on the power switch. Before operating the product, make sure to set the safety knob 50-60 degrees Celsius higher than its actual operating temperature to prevent overheating. When you turn on the power, you'll see the timer setting mode. You may set the timer to 99 hours and 59 minutes in a minute unit. Set it to 0 o'clock and it will run infinitely. Set the time you want, press the push button, and the timer will start. The timer LED indicates whether it is working correctly. The alarm sounds when the timer runs out. Once you finish the timer setting, press the main button to enter the temperature setting mode. You can set the temperature setting up to 250 degrees Celsius. However, the minimum set temperature must be 5 degrees Celsius higher than the temperature in the room where the drying oven is installed. Press the push button, the heating operation will start, and the heat LED will turn on. Press the main button on the temperature setting screen. It will enter the locking mode, where you can see the current temperature and the remaining time. In locking mode, the settings won't change even if you rotate the Jog-Dial, and the state will remain unchanged even if you press the push button. You are advised to maintain the locking mode when operating the product once you set the temperature and the time. Press the sub button under each setting mode. It will enter the respective sub-mode to set temperature correction, the delay timer, etc. For detailed information on the sub-modes, visit DAIHAN Scientific online shopping mall and download the user's manual. For your safety, if the drying oven door is open for more than 10 seconds, the display will show error 3 and a beep will sound. The digital PID control realizes the best temperature accuracy and uniformity. Moreover, a patented Jog-Dial is used to maximize the control easiness. The 3-side heating zone installed on the product is a high-performance heating mechanism, which realizes the best temperature uniformity and accuracy. For the OF model, which occupies the forced circulation method, a fan is mounted in the chamber at the rear side. It draws air into the preheating zone where a heater heats it. Then, it is circulated into the chamber again along both sides. This method provides excellent internal temperature uniformity and accuracy and facilitates quick drying. On the contrary, for the ON model, which occupies the natural convection method, a heater attached to the outer wall of the inner chamber heats its inside. The internal air is heated as being circulated literally in the natural convection without a fan. This method is occupied when there is a risk of contamination if the fan is used, or when drying a sample that may be blown if it is used. We have obtained CE certification and UL certification, which are safety certifications in Europe and America, respectively, and GD Mark, the Excellent Design Mark. The OF model can heat up to 250 degrees Celsius, and its capacity comes in 50, 105, 155, and 305 liters. The OM model can heat up to 230 degrees Celsius, and its capacity comes in 32, 50, 105, and 155 liters. Besides, both models have a window model that allows users to see inside the drying oven. DAIHAN Scientific Drying Oven can be manufactured as customized model, and IQ/OQ validation is also available upon a request.